Hello and welcome to Do Not Cyan Investment. This analysis is for Barrick Mining on the Toronto Stock Exchange as of 6th of July 2026 with a share price of 54 Canadian dollars 21. The full report is on donotcyan.ca. Barrick is a cheap cash-generative gold and copper major, PE around 10, a strong free cash flow yield, and 35+% upside to the analyst median. But gold and the stock are both in a live downtrend, so it is a hold short term. The medium-term signal is buy, and the long-term is strong buy. Barrick is one of the largest gold producers with a growing copper business, running low-cost Tier 1 mines. It earns a 25% return on equity, throws off more than $5 billion of free cash flow, and trades at only about 10 times earnings. The copper growth projects, Lumwana and Reko Diq, are shifting the mix and add a second leg to the story. This is a high-quality, cash-generative major, not a speculative miner. The reason it is a hold rather than a buy today is the tape. Gold sits below a falling 50-day average and is down about 8% on the month, and the stock trades below all of its moving averages. Buying here is buying weakness. The valuation is cheap enough that the long-term case stays a strong buy, but the near-term entry is best taken on a firmer gold tape or a hold of support, not chased into a falling price. The swing factor is the metal price. Barrick's low cost base and strong balance sheet cushion the downside, but a deeper gold sell-off with copper rolling over would pressure earnings and the stock. The cheap valuation and free cash flow are the reason the downside is cushioned rather than open-ended, and why we would accumulate on weakness rather than sell. Now, the other side of the ledger, gold sustained below approximately $2,600 with copper rolling over. Operational setback or cost blowout at a Tier 1 mine. The stock stays in its downtrend near term. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 55% above today, the base case the most likely about 29%, and the bear case a fall of about 13%. So, you are risking about 13 to make 55. So, our call on Barrick Mining on the Toronto Stock Exchange, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donatien Investment at donatien.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.